Well, hey folks, it's Greg Fritz from Celette Tips and Tricks. We're down here at JDM Calibration Center in Thornton, Illinois. Let's go in and see what we got. Today we're hosting a class of future career iCar students. Take a picture of this one. Okay. Now I go back down to my report and I can add those to the report. Take one I want, add it, add one. Go back to the report, fill in the customer information, the repair order number, the VIN number. Save the report. Says it's saved. Print the report. It looks like this. Just like the screen up here. Okay? You can see it's the same car. Left side, right side, top view, side view. These are the symmetrical points that we added after the fact. And the measurements for them. And here's our point-to-point measurement. And it tells you what we measured, it gives you the results. That's my story, gents. Right up here. See if I can just make sure we go. There you go. There you go. Very nice. Okay, now we go back and we measure the two in the back. So it's going to be this bolt here. Go ahead. Back. Oh, I almost got it. Let me help you with this. You can let this down. This moves anywhere you want. I want you to just do how you do the system. Yeah, sure. Don't be afraid of this. Okay, you control it. Yeah. And that just pops on there with the spring. Okay. So get used to how to hold it. There you go. Now let's move it a little bit straighter. Move this down just a little bit. And keep it square against the car, just like that. There you go. Push the button. Got it, one time. That's it. You got it. Good job. Okay, who wants to do this one, young man? I knew you would do that. I saw you there. All right, just like that. Push it and watch the screen. Boom! Good job. Okay, so come on up to the screen for a second. So, let's just say if you wanted to know some distances, you're going, well, how far is it from this point to that point? I don't know. You know, it's not telling me up there. It's telling me that I'm 3 millimeters off from what it says it's supposed to be, theoretically. So, just click on a point and go to what they call distance tab. And then you can click on a point and you can just kind of, oh, I'm going to go back here because I want a long distance to make it more accurate. Start there, and I'm going to go up to this point just to see how far off they are from each other. How they compare. It's like Saturday night dress. Okay. So you can see from 35 to S3. 35 to S3, it says here. That is 2394. And the other side is 2396. So we have a 3 millimeter difference. 3 millimeters. Remember that. We go back over to this side and we look at that point. S3 right there. Well, it's 5 millimeters actual in a 3-dimensional way. So that meets up with that. That's pretty good. So I know that point has got some, it's off. We measured it off. But so let's say you wanted to find out if you had sway in the front end. Even though these 2 points are good, they say they're good, but maybe if I had some sway, I could do an X or a cross measurement. And I can measure from here across. Whoops, I got it in the right tab. I can measure across. And I can measure across. Okay, so on this side of the scale, we have multiple dimensions. We're only looking at the last two. Because I went across the center line of the car. It's telling me 2 dimensions. It's telling me I have a length from here to here of 411. And then the other side is 383 from here to here. What is it? Why is it doing that? Because I have a, if you look at this, if you painted a line here, 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 and here, you have a box, right? So I'm looking at it like this to see if that box is square. It could be, you know, leaning to one way or another. You know, you push on the corner of a box and it'll lean, right? Well, that's what that would tell me because I have 3 millimeters difference right there. So one side's a little bit shorter than the other in the front. Is it on this side that's shorter? Because we're going to the center line, or is it this side? It's generally the outside. Because that's where all your impact's coming from. You know, your impact's not going to come in from this way, it's going to come in from the front, or somewhere in this vicinity. And I can do a report to save this when you're all done, right? Let's go back here and just say, okay, I want to save all my information. I can take some screenshots. Well, I better take one first. Okay.